Well, thank you very much for clicking the link. My name is Christopher.McAndrews. We're here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. We're going to be taking a look at our 2019 Arctic Fox 811. Go ahead and follow me around. We'll take a look. As you can see up here, new graphic colors. On the outside here, you have your shower, hot water heater, plumbing access, and your battery storage. All of these doors are going to be 1 inch thick and insulated. And right here is our propane storage. And then back here you have your battery kill switch. Very loud out here with the traffic, but you have your battery kill switch and some of your plumbing controls. This one has the Fox landing back step, which is very nice, makes it nice and easy to get in. Nice sturdy door here for your restroom access. Skylight and fan. And then on this side you have your dinette. This dinette converts into a bed and has tons of storage underneath on both sides. Nice big drawer. And then over here you have your fridge, and all of this is contained within the slide. Storage on this side. Storage here. This is actually really cool. This pulls out when you unlock it for a spice rack. Up here you have your microwave, lots more storage, audio controls, and your light controls for the interior and exterior. And this one's equipped with your solar panel. This is so it trickle charges your battery for you. This one's got a 3-burner cooktop and oven with exterior exhaust. And as you come around this way, this would be your bed, obviously your bed. You have storage on either side, and then the storage here, and a nice big closet there for hanging, and television on this side with storage below it. And as you can see here, this is your roof access ladder. This is a full walkable roof, very, very sturdy built. And your jacks here, these will all be remote control operated, quick and easy. More storage here on the outside. Perfect. Thank you again for clicking the link. Again, my name is Christopher.McAndrews here at Guaranty RV in Junction City. If you would like any information or schedule a time to come take a look at one of these, you can call or text my cell phone, 541-731-8583. Thank you.